Today I announce my decision on the parole application of Janus Waluz, an offender incarcerated in our correctional center who is serving a sentence of life for the murder of South African Communist Party leader, the late Mr. Thembisile Chris Hani. He had brought an application to be placed on parole on 10 April 2015, coincidentally the day on which Mr. Hani was killed. After serving 21 years and 6 months, I had denied him parole by ordering a further profile to be submitted, a decision that was challenged by Mr. Waluz. The Gauteng Division of the High Court in Pretoria set my decision aside and ordered his placement on parole. The Supreme Court of Appeal, the SCA, then upheld my appeal against that judgment with an order remitting the matter to me for reconsideration and a decision within 90 days. The following observations have been noted from the profile submitted to me. A psychologist's report has highlighted the offender's political ideology as a risk factor in the report and is stated as follows, and I quote, "Regarding empathy, it can be said that he expressed remorse for the fact that the victim's children are fatherless and the wife is a widow. However, he showed no remorse for murdering Chris Hani, the communist leader. He still rationalizes his actions and insists that they were politically motivated. His ideas about communism still stand," close quote. The above clearly articulates clearly articulated state of mind presents a potential risk as it reflects the continued existence of the primary motive that led to the commission of the offense in the first place. In this regard, and in line with my previous decision of the 10th April 2015, in which I directed that the department, in consultation with other relevant structures, advise on the security threats that might continue to exist, state security must be approached with a request to provide a security risk assessment report if the offender were to be released on parole. If one has regard to the fact that remorse is a strong feeling of sadness and regret about something wrong that one has done, the report demonstrates a person who sees nothing wrong in eliminating a communist who happens to be a father and a husband. This can in no way qualify as full remorse as he continues to justify his killing of a communist. It appears that over the entire period of his incarceration, the offender has acquired neither further academic nor vocational skills that could enhance his prospects of reintegration into society. It is therefore recommended that the department should assist him acquire any such appropriate skills. In the result, I have decided that the placement of the offender on parole is not advisable at this stage, and his application is therefore not approved. A further profile should be submitted within a period of 12 months. Of Section 78(2) states the following, and I quote, "If the minister refuses to grant parole or day parole in terms of subsection 1, the minister may make recommendations in respect of treatment, care, development, and support of the sentenced offender, which may contribute to improving the likelihood of future placement on parole or day parole," close quote. In the interim, the department should assist the offender in the areas of intervention stated above. This decision has already been communicated to Mr. Waluz, and I thank you.